Man cause big accident on the highway and run, gone, cross the bush over there. So, see, you can't go send a John shop. Look how much vehicle the man mash up. Eh? The man mash up over 10 vehicles.
When you hear that, my viewers, a truck driver lose control of him truck on highway 2000 and running at the people them car, mash up the people them car, and instead of him stay up on the scene, him jump out of him truck and run gang go hide. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about, so no drop some like on the video, subscribe to my channel if you no not subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. A triple murder settings a Mobay, gunman dead a bus it pan police, plus coaster bus run over Kimberly Simpson St. Elizabeth, and squaddy them gone with figure it out, and a next man for Niah murder. So before me jump in at the reason and me gonna know what I go on, pre this.
Man cause big accident on the highway and run, gone, cross the bush over there. So, see, you can't go send a John shop. Look how much vehicle the man mash up. Eh? The man mash up over 10 vehicles. And run, gone. Nothing can move, you say, no? Nothing can move.
When you see that, my viewers, truck driver lose control of him truck on highway 2000. Running at the people them car, mash up the people them car. The people them could have lose them life. And instead of him stay up on the scene. You know what him do? Put him foot in him hand and run gang go hide. See it here, my viewers. Couple more days left in the area, you know. We soon reaching at the new year, you know. And see it there. As what I say, it look like life a sell, boy. Yeah. Nobody no care about life, boy. Yeah. The people them a gamble with them life, boy, and a play hockey and quarter with them 3 pints. How long him a go hide for? Till squaddy them go seek and find him and slam a charge pan him. How what? Him did a drink? Him did a smoke? How him did a rush a go? Eh? Today a Christmas Eve, you know. And see it here, most of them people here nearly lose them life, you know. Them life just flash in front of them, you know. That's why when you hear the man them a say the mercy of God, you know. And I give God thanks, you know. So see it, them viewers, truck driver running at the people them truck on highway 2000 and run gone. Him no care about them. So no walk with me and all my viewers. We are going Mobay, where we see a triple murder settings. Gunman dead a bus it pan police a Hellgate, a section of Orange a St. James. My people, police them go down a Mobay, you know, a search for gunman guns, you know. Cause them don't see the video them, you know. Them don't see where going over pan TikTok live, you know. Where Mobay Badness left off of the street and reach pan the media, you know. So after a bus head drop, all type of man a make video. All type of man a send threat. All type of man a talk. Say one wa go on. And squaddy them just sit down so and I watch everything me I tell you now. And see it there. Early morning operation them go on with 3 youth dead. The people them a say are innocent youth them. The youth them never had a fire no shot off of them. The youth them just day in a them house. And police go kick off them door and fling 9 ball in a them head. I saw it going at them time, yeah. The good I go suffer for the bad. You never know that. You not see where I go on a Mobay. So no walk with me and now. When you see that picture you wanna see on the screen, the police them go arrest figure it out and the next youth, yeah. And I say them involved in a Niah murder. And we all see we reach Niah on TikTok, you know. And after that, a bag of man dep on TikTok a call up a bag of people name. I say who involved and who never involved. I wanna feel JCF never dep on TikTok with them notebook a write down the whole of them man the name. Till see it you know, them go fi figure it out. And the youth yeah, and I say them involved in a Niah murder. And when them say involved, me no feel like say I figure it out, press the trigger. I feel like say him a probably one of the instigator them. Cause remember I always tell you this, you know. Say the whole of the youth them only hear a talk off them mouth on TikTok, you know. Them know what happened to Niah, you know. Them know who murder Niah, you know. Them know why the killer them go for Niah, you know. Them just dep on TikTok a try clear them own a name. Cause them no want go jail and them no want dead. So at the end of the day, see it here now, figure it out. I figure talk we go on, and him have to go talk if him did involve in a this thing here, and him have to go talk Who murder Niah for real now? Some people walk with me. We are got St. Elizabeth, where we see coaster bus driver run over Kimberly Simpson on the Gushin main road. And the girl that never did a cross no street, you know. The girl that did a walk on the main road and go about her business, you know. So I want to know how this thing happened, you know. The coaster bus driver did junk. Him did a drive reckless. For him just lick down the girl, so. Most of the time in a them incident, you know. The man them who do them damage and go do no jail time, you know. Them not pay no consequences, you know. Them just gone scotch free, you know. A Kimberly Simpson family, them have to go pick up the pieces them right now, you know. And plan funeral, you know, if go bury the girl, you know. So see it ya. All type of carelessness, boy, ya. All type of recklessness, boy, ya. Nobody now follow no rules, boy, ya. Everybody a do them one thing, boy, ya, me a tell you no. Some people wanna listen to that one, ya. A father is looking for his son, Kidani Taylor, and him 28-year-old pregnant woman, Shanice Powell. The mother and the child was last seen on December the 19th. The youth did wear a button-up shirt, and the woman did wear a blue striped dress. Some of viewers, all them people are just vanished, so. Eh? Nobody no see them. Nobody no hear from them again. And the man right now is a JDF soldier, you know. And him a try find out where him family gone, you know. And I try find out who take where him family, you know. So when you see them pictures there, wanna see on the screen right now of Kidani Taylor and 28-year-old pregnant woman Shanice Powell. Nobody no know where them I tell you no more people. You hear that? Them lost a road. People are try find where them they are road. Or I try find out who take them way. And as what I say, the man who do all of this a look for him family, him is a soldier. Can it be somebody take away him pitney them for ransom money? Or can it be something where him did go on with and somebody come back now and try harm him family them? Never know, me I tell you no more viewers. You hear that? So make sure you know what you do out there, you know. And stay safe in the holiday, yeah, you know. And as what I say, you don't know the code, my people. A life over death. At always. You hear that? Until next time. You see me?